Looking for a reliable replacement adapter for your yard inflatables or Christmas string lights? Today, we are reviewing the 12-volt Replacement Yard Inflatable Adapter with a flexible extension cable to plug a solar panel for G40 Christmas string lights and other inflatables. This product is perfect for outdoor and indoor use, offering a 6-foot or 1.8-meter cable length that gives you plenty of reach. The power supply accepts input voltages from 100 to 240 volts at 50 or 60 hertz, making it suitable for use around the world. Safety is a top priority with this adapter. It includes overvoltage, overcurrent, and over-temperature protection, so your devices stay safe. The build quality feels solid, and the cable is flexible enough to route easily around your yard or home. It works seamlessly with G40 string lights, yard inflatables, and other low-voltage devices that require a 12-volt power source. If you have a solar panel set up, this adapter lets you plug it in directly, making it a versatile addition to your outdoor decorations. During testing, we found the adapter to maintain a steady voltage output without overheating. The connectors are standard and fit snugly. One of the best features is its compatibility with a wide range of inflatables and lights, so you don't have to worry about buying multiple adapters. Installation is straightforward. Simply plug one end into your device and the other into a standard wall outlet. The 6-foot cable provides enough length to position your decorations exactly where you want them. For anyone looking to replace a lost or broken adapter or wanting a backup, this is a practical choice. It is also an energy-efficient option for your holiday lighting or year-round decorations. Overall, the 12-volt Replacement Yard Inflatable Adapter delivers on its promises. It is safe, durable, and easy to use. Whether you need it for Christmas lights, inflatable yard art, or solar panel connections, this adapter gets the job done. If you found this review helpful, please like and subscribe for more product reviews. Links to purchase are in the description below.